to explain again?
Okay, we can go back to it after this one, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So, okay, there are other 17 other, sorry. Okay.
Okay.
This is to find the rabbit.
I need to explain again.
Okay? 17 times 2, 34. Then minus from the 60. Then 26 is divided by 2. Then we'll have 13 rabbits. Okay? Or we can just do this right away. This is the step by step. Step
Okay.
by step. And this is the shortcut. Okay?
Đuổi mẹ xuống tiếp theo cho mẹ ăn con đây đi.
I have shown you the shortcut and also the what you
Teacher,
call this.
can you hear me? Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Miss Vince.
Yes?
Miss Vince. There all have 13 rabbits.
Yes, there are 13 rabbits. Okay, so are we good on this? Because I'll move back to number 5 to recap.
Teacher.
Okay, yes?
Is 60 minus 17 times 2 or 3?
Okay, it's 17 times 2. Okay, sorry for my bad penmanship. Just listen. Okay, is that good?
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, teacher. Sorry. I have the grade 2, not grade 3.
You can leave on the breakout room. Okay, and
Cậu nghe chưa? 17 con gà và thỏ trong một trang trại.
You should have.
Thì nó là phần tử nào cũng là
yes, I'm Mr. Vince. Ma'am, not Miss.
thế là đúng
Mr.
rồi.
Vince.
Yes.
17 con trong trang
What
trại
the
có bao
rabbit
nhiêu
is
con?
has 2 legs.
No. This is the solution for this one. Just
Có
the
bao nhiêu
solution
con
to
thỏ?
find the rabbits. Okay?
Có 17 con. Yeah.
So,
Teacher,
yes.
could you please number 4 again?
Okay. Let me do number 5 first. Okay?
Yes, thank
Then
you.
let's go to number 4 back.
Yes.
Nếu như 17 con.
So, for number 5, for the one who was asking, this pattern is repeating by 6, okay? As you can see, the box, 2 triangle box, and 2 circles again. So this one is repeating by 6. Okay? So that's why we divide 68 divided by 6. We'll get 11 and remainder of 2. And for this 6 patterns, for this specific 6 patterns, we know that the triangle is at least 2. So that's why we have 11 times 2. Okay? But that is not the final answer yet since we have the remainder. So if we have the remainder, then the pattern is like this. So we just count 1 and 2. Okay? So this is the second one. So that's why we add 1. Okay? If the remainder is 1, we don't need to add another 1 triangle because it's just a box. Was that okay?
Again, question 4.
Wait for number 4. Ma'am, for the one who was asking for number 5 is this okay now?
Miss Vince.
I am Mr. Vince or Coach
Mr.
Vince.
Vince.
Okay.
Mr. Vince. One rabbit have 2 legs or 4 legs?
That is just the proper solution for that one. You can follow that one. Okay, so let's go to number 4 again.
Enable the chat.
I think it was disabled. Okay, I will try to contact to enable the chat.
Seems like the chat isn't working for the past 15 minutes.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, for now, I have asked for enabling the chat. Okay. So let's go for number 4. So, okay, this one, why is it 12, sir? For the one who was asking, we are finding the least common multiple of this ones. This one, least common multiples. Not the multiple, but least common multiples. So we know that the common multiple of 5, 10, 15. Then we know that 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Okay, so this is their lowest common multiple. For 6 and 4, it's 6.
Teacher, is LCM is this?
Okay. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. But we know the LCM is 12, so that's why it's 12 here. Okay? Then for this one, we can just put 7, 14, 21, and 28. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Okay, so that's their lowest common multiple. Okay, be careful of this question because some of you might be, what do you call this? Multiplying them right away. Okay, the chat is fixed now.
Thank you. It's very clear now.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. So, are we good on 4, 5, and 6, and 7 now? Or the chat is fixed, so if you want to ask a problem. Okay? So, are we good, class? Okay. What is that noise? Please unmute. So,
Mr. Vince.
yes, Mr. Vince, yes.
The question 7 is total is 1,120.
Okay, very good. So, nice. You answered it. But let me show the solution first. But very good. You have the answer. So, for this one, class, we need to find this one that if we add them directly, it makes 10. So, this one and this one, then this one and this one, right?
Yes.
Yes, so you can chat right ahead if you are, because I can speak your name, class. So, 153 plus 147, class, how much is that? 300?
300.
Okay. How about 114 plus 106? 200?
220.
Okay.
220.
How about 299 plus 301? This one is equal to?
600.
Okay. So, if we add this one, we'll have 520 plus 600. Then the answer is 1,120. Okay, very good. For question 6, why? Okay, are we good on this class? Because I will have to go to number 6 again.
Nó hiểu chưa? Ở đây người ta dạy luôn, ôn thi luôn ấy.
Okay.
Understand.
This one. Okay.
Next.
Wait.
Wow.
This one, this is the formula for this Zach. Divide it by 2. This is the formula to get the rabbits. Then, if the question is asking for chicken, you can just use 17 minus 3. If it's asking for chicken, so there are 4 chickens all in all. This is the easiest method. Yes?
Please give me the answer of number 5.
Number 5? The answer?
Yes, 5. Yes.
Con để như thế thì làm sao mà nó trả đạt?
The answer for number 5 is 23.
Bạn cần đòi thầy review lại, nãy giờ còn chưa.
23, number 5.
Yes, indeed. Okay,
Yes. And number 4? Number 4 answer.
Number 4 answer.
Alright, this is starting to
28.
get
This is
annoying.
28.
28. Thank you.
Uống đi.
Okay. How about this one, class? 9.
Trong cái phòng Zoom bao nhiêu bạn không?
9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36. Okay.
Không, cái này không cần. Cái này chỉ là
So you can just add this right away. Or we can-
234.
Class, I think we are wait.
9 plus
I'll have to
3.
mute. I'll have to mute. Okay.
9
Mr. Vince,
3.
Yes.
Mr. Vince, the is the question 8 is true and red 52.
Okay, very good. But I'll just show the solution, okay? For this one, you can just add this right away. Okay? Class, you need to mute yourself first so that
I know.
you won't disrupt the class. So, we have here 9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36 plus 45 plus 54 plus 56. It's just actually 9, 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4,
Tư An thì cũng được ạ.
5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 7. Then, you can just do this. So, adding them right away, we have... I'm sorry. We have 6 here, 10, 15, 21, and 28. So, 28 times 7. The answer is 196. Okay, I can't really, the noise is not helping me.
252.
Okay, class. I think the noise is not helping me. Can you mute, class?
9 plus 63.
Can you mute, class? Can you mute? What is that?
9 plus
Okay.
63.
Question is 234.
Okay. So for this one, class, I'll just add them right away. So, okay. So we have here 9 times 1 plus 7 times 7 over 2. So we'll have 9 times 28 rather. I'm sorry. I don't not this one complicating. Again. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, so this one equates to 9 times 28. And after that, we'll have 252. Okay, so for those who have question, okay, I have to... Give me a second. I'll have to transfer someone. Hmm. You please
I have a question.
please go to leave the breakout room and go to P2. I can't help on my end. Yes, the question. Just chat the question first, class, so that I won't get disrupted. Question. Okay.
Is that number 3 or 7?
This is number okay. 252. Sorry. Penmanship. I'll have to do 2. Okay.
Sorry?
It's 252. What question? I'll entertain question now. Okay, you unmute yourself. Khoi. How do I fa the Khoi? KHOI last name. How do I?
9872.
Okay, you can.
My question is
Nhưng tôi không biết đọc tiếng Anh.
Okay.
2052. 52.
2052.
9 times 28 is 252.
Yeah.
Okay. So is that all? So we can move to number 9. We are progressing slowly.
Racing.
Okay. How about this one, class? 6 times 7 plus 12 times 7. Wait, did you do this brute math, or should I call it you solve it directly? There is there's other solution for this. Or you can just say,
Can I record it?
yeah, no, I did record this. I'm recording this one. I
Okay.
will just
6 times 7 plus 6 times 2 times 7.
Okay, we can do that, or you can also do direct math, but let's do the shortcut solution, okay? So for this one, it's gonna become 3 times 2 times 7 plus 3 times 4 times 7 plus 3 times 8. So this is gonna become 3 times 14,
Answer is
28 plus 8. So if we add this one, it becomes
Is 50.
okay.
3 by 50 is 150.
Okay. That is the shortcut method. If you want to answer directly, you can also 7 times 6 is 42. This one is 60, 7 to 84. Then 8, 16, 24. So this is also the other way of answering this. So we can still get 150 here.
Giỏi cũng hay chứ.
Teacher, I still have another method. Teacher, I have another one.
Let's share your method later, okay?
I have another method.
Yes, the answer is 23 on number 5, sir.
I have another
Please speak in English. I can't understand, sir. Or who is talking. So let's go to number 10.
You confirm if your sound may be switched out of language, please update English Vietnam or Vietnam
Venus. The
Yes.
question said the total is 45.
Okay.
Jesus nuts.
Thái tiếp Vietnamese đấy.
Please, I can't understand if you are not speaking English.
Like 60 plus.
This is very nuts.
Okay, I'll just go over the problem. Okay, if you have question, just chat it. Okay.
Nhìn cái bay con đi con nhìn đất xuống rồi là
So
các bạn này đây.
find the value.
Thầy mở chat lên thì
Very nuts.
Không cần điểm cân, không hiểu nữa. Mà giải được không?
chat để nhận đáp án.
Cái đó có tiếng không có kìa.
Đi đọc.
Thôi, thay cái câu đó. Thay cái đề của mình đó.
Please can mute.
Lâu nay cũng nhiều lắm. Còn ở
Who
Việt
is
Nam
not
cũng lắm.
who is
Còn lễ
talking?
của bùi cuộc đời là của Việt Nam ta thế.
Your voice is disrupting the class, Mr. or Mrs.
Thì cái nó giá cái đó, tí nữa kia.
Nhưng lại số mấy?
Các anh chị ơi, tắt loa đi ạ.
Tắt loa đi.
Please mute yourself. It's disrupting the class. Who is that? So, because I want to focus on the class now. Okay. So, 180 divided by 2, how much is that, class?
90.
What is 180 divided by 3?
60.
Okay. 60.
Plus
What is 180 divided by 6, class?
30.
Okay, very good. We have minus here. What is 180 divided by 9?
20.
20.
Okay.
20.
Then 180 divided by 18 is?
10.
10. 10.
Okay.
10.
And 180 divided by 36 is?
5.
5. 5.
Okay. So if we have 90 minus 60, we have?
30.
Plus 30 is?
60.
Okay, if we have 60. Minus 20 is?
40.
Plus 10 is?
40. 50.
And minus 5 is?
45.
45.
40.
Okay. So, question? But I think this is okay. So, let's go to number 11. Find the value of this one. So, you can just do that directly, but I'll show you the shortcut method for this one, okay? So, for this one, we can just actually do 130 times 130.
Miss Vince, I chat with you in TIMO. Okay.
What?
Can I go to the restaurant?
So, we have here 130 times 130. We'll have a 1,600. 16,900. And to get this one, we can just minus the 130 on this one. Okay?
Yeah.
So that makes it quick, right?
Is 16,770.
16,770.
Yes.
Okay. So question 10 is 45 for the one who was asking on the chat. This is the solution. Okay? So let's go ahead. Number. So we are on to number 12 right now. So how do we do this, class? 369 times 111.
Teacher is again. Anh đang gật đầu ạ. Question 10. Anh đang gật đầu ạ.
Okay, question 10.
11.
11.
11. What?
What is your question here?
Yes.
Is there? There. There.
Teachers.
There.
Miss Viz.
I check with you. The question is 12.
Please chat, class. Class, chat, class.
24.
Finish.
Chat, class, chat. There is the chat box.
Stop talking.
Yes.
Miss Viz. Oh my God.
It is.
Class, I don't know
Yeah.
who to answer now.
Now you made the teacher off track. Look what you've done.
And what's the answers?
Class, if you have questions, class, please use the chat box. So I can please.
Mr. Vince.
Yes, yes.
I checked with you the question. 12. The total is
Yes,
in
question 12.
TIMO 20,
Yes,
22,
you're asking.
25. Book exam review. Con ạ, rồi thầy nghe rồi.
Class, please chat. No, I think I'm getting off track now.
Con có thể tự làm bài đó, làm xong rồi con tự làm luôn.
So we have here
130.
we have here 369 times
Nhưng mà con có
111.
kết quả chưa?
So
129 nhân
you
Yes,
can
yes, there is 40995.
okay for this one you can just actually do this also shortcut method of 41 times 9 times
130 nhân
1111 is equal to 41 times 10,000 minus 1. And if we distribute this one, we'll get 41, this right here, then minus 41, then we have 40,9,959. Or you can just do multiplication right away of 369 times 1111.
But teacher, I know the method to it.
Let's save the other methods after the last, okay? Share your methods after we share your methods after how do I call this? After the class, after the last number, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's focus now, class. Off track, off track. So the sum of integers a and b is 92. So we can just put this as a times a plus b is equal to 192. And a times 3 is equal a times 3 is of b. Okay?
And
So
divide
we can just substitute here. So a
The total, the question.
plus a times 3
The total is 43.
Please stop
So
talking.
you are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong.
Yeah, I'm wrong.
To be not
Please
Mr. Vince.
please, it's disrupting me. I cannot answer na, class. Everyone is disrupting me.
Mr. Vince.
It's actually 48.
Class.
Would like
Mute yourself and just chat on the box.
Sáng sớm ra mắng anh này rủ anh đi chợ.
Mr. Vince.
the body.
Đúng rồi thì thôi.
Mr. Vince.
Chả vui vẻ gì.
Anh chị ơi, tắt mic hộ em với.
Class, you mute yourself, class. You mute yourself, you chat at the box. I can't understand. It's disrupting me. So we have here 192 divided by 3 plus 1.
Hey.
So for 192, we are able to divide it by 4. Then we'll get 448. Okay? So this is how we do it. Just chat. You can understand English, right? You can mute yourself and you just chat. Disrupting the class.
I don't understand your 8. I also don't understand.
Sao con không trả lời đáp án này? There you go.
Okay, A plus B is equal to 192. If A is 3 times of B, then we can just say A and another B plus 3B 4B
Mấy rồi vậy?
So let's go to number 14.
Thôi bây giờ con mở cái đề ra này.
Sao người ta làm nhanh thế nhỉ?
Teacher,
Can you go back to number 13? I'm still copying.
the question
What time did the lesson end?
120.
Teacher, what time did the lesson end?
Okay, you copy. Okay, you copy fast.
Con làm từng bài rồi coi mẹ. Con làm từng bài kệ mấy cái đáp án trước.
Ghi điền kết quả vào trong đây. Con làm xong rồi con điền kết quả cho đúng không? Thầy không ý mà.
Okay, I'll just mute, okay? You just chat on the chat box. So we go to number 14 now. What is the smallest 3-digit positive number that is divisible by 3 and 8? So for this one class, let's find the LCM of 3 and 8. Okay, so we have here 24. Now if we divide 100 by 24, we'll get 4 remainder of something, right? So if we round this up, so we'll get 5. And if we 24 times 5, we'll get a 120. Okay? So I'll have to specifically unmute and you can... Okay, let's just focus on the class first. I'll unmute later. You just chat your questions. Okay? So what is the answer of question 13? The answer of question 13 is 48. This one. So you can take a screenshot in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then this one is for number 14. And let's go to number 15 now. So determine the operation of the symbol if A times B is equal to A plus 3 times B minus A minus 2. So we can just use this. So if 4 is A, 4 is A, and B is 9. Okay, so we have if A times A plus 3, rather 4 plus 3 times B is 9 minus A is 4 and minus 2. So 7 times 9 minus 4 is 5 and minus 3. Minus 2 rather is 3. So the answer is 21 here. Okay? Okay, nice. Okay, if you know the answer, you can just chat it in the chat box. Okay, so let's go for number 16 now. So this one class, what is the largest 2-digit positive number that has a remainder of 5 when divided by 8. So for this one, we'll have to do, it's it's two digit, right? Two largest, largest two digit rather, and divide by 8, then remainder of 5. So what if we try 99 divided by 8, and we'll get 12 remainder something. But if we multiply 8 by 12, we'll get 96. But it has a remainder of 5. So this is 101. So it cannot be. So we'll go to 11. So 8 times 11 we'll have 88. And that's where we add the remainder of 5. Then we have 93. Okay. Remainder here is uh the remainder here is 3. Okay, what is the answer of number? Okay. I'll go back to number 15 now. And this is the solution. Okay, sorry. This is for number, okay, you just substitute. This one becomes A, and this one becomes B. Okay. So are we good on this? Okay, 13. What is 13? This one, okay, this one is 13. Okay, you can just screenshot 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So this is number 15 for the last time. Then, okay. Let's go to number, okay, 17. We are on 17 already. We are, okay. Give me, what is the answer? Can you go back to 13? Okay. What is it? Number 13. 13. Okay, this is 13 class. Please take a screenshot. So number 14. This one is gonna be the answer. So I'll go back to question number 4 later. Okay. So we have number 14 already. So let's go to number this one. So the numbers below form an arithmetic sequence. So the number should be here 705, 697, 689, 681, and 673. So for this one, finding arithmetic number, so we can just use the first number, 705. If it's asking for that term, so we'll have 19 minus 1 multiplied by 8. So, okay. On the solution manual, it says plus, but it should be minus. Okay. So, 8 is the skip number here. This one is the number of terms. We should always minus it by 1. So, Okay? What do you call this? Formula for this is the first number plus the number of term minus 1 times the skip number. Okay? But this one, this is plus, right? But for this one, this is decreasing. So this is a first number minus and minus 1 times the skip number. Okay? So what we have here is 705 minus 19. So we have here minus 18 times 8. And by using PEMDAS, we'll have 705 minus 144. So we'll have 561. Okay? So, okay class, I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot this one. And we can go on further. So, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's go to number 18 now. So, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 207. So, okay, remember the magic word is the odd here. Okay? So, we'll just have to divide it by 3, right? 207 divide by 3. So, this one is 18. And we'll have 6. Then, we'll be left with 27. So, this is 9. Okay. So, 69 is the number middle. Okay. But, if we are finding the first and the last, so if this is the middle, 207, remember this is odd, so this should be, sorry, 69 rather, and this should be 67, and this should be 71. The first, the middle, and the last. The answer for 17, okay, just give me a second. So, the answer here is 69 class. Okay, so you copy now, or you screenshot in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, because I'll have to go to number 17 last. So, the answer is 561 here. Okay. So, okay. Let's go to number, okay. Here we have number 19. So, 9 small squares of perimeters 12 are combined to form a large square. What is the perimeter of the large square? So, we know by now this class, 9 small squares of perimeter is 12. So, for this one class, this one has a perimeter of 12. Right? So, what's the formula for perimeter of square? Use the chat box. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Chat box, chat box. Okay. It's B times 4. Okay, or S times 4. Or S plus S plus S plus S. So, if it is 12 here, the perimeter, so it should be given that the side is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? So, for this one, we can just say that since this is 9 small squares, this is 3, 3, 6, 9. Wait. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. We'll have 3. So, times 3. Okay. Okay. So, that's why pala. 736. So, this one is actually 3. Then 3. Then 3. Then 3, 3, 3 also here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we have 9 here, plus 9, plus 9, and plus 9. So 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Okay, nice. Okay, answer 18. Okay, take a picture of this first. The answer is 36. Okay, so I won't go back again. So let's go to number 18 since there is someone asking. Okay, let's do number 17 first. So this one is for the answer 561 for 17. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For number 18, this is the answer. So 69 is the middle. Then this one, it's 36. I explained why we had the 36, okay? Because one small squares is 12 perimeter divided by 4. We'll have 3. So 3 on the sides, 3, 3, 3. 9. 9 times 4 for the 4 sides. We'll have 36. Okay, so let's go to number 40. So 20 rather. So this one class, this is just the formula. So a pyramid has 20 vertices. How many edges does this pyramid have? So 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Then this is the sides, I think, rather. I forgot what this is called, but this should be the formula here. Okay? Remember this formula? Okay? Vertices minus 1, then we'll multiply it by 2, so we'll get the edges. So, okay? Take a picture of that one. Okay? So, let's go to number 21. So, for this class, this should be easy because the cubes of the same size and shape are stuck together. At least how many square faces the cubes can be seen if observing from the top. So, this one class, you'll just count them right ahead. You don't need to, you just count them right ahead. Yes, you may go. I'll go to question 12 after this. Okay? Okay. I'll go slower. So for this one class, we can just say, looking the figure from the top. Yes, the answer, you are all correct on the chat box. So we can just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so 11 cubes. Okay, that's right. So we have here 11 cubes. So I'll have to go back to number 12 just a second. This one, the answer here is it should be 16770. No. 12. 12 is 409959. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's go to number. If you have any questions, please use the chat box, or I can reply well there. Okay. Please bear with me because. Okay. Okay. Now we have here how many triangles, class? So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So it's just 6 triangles. Servings. Okay. Okay, I'll get back to 21 right after this. Yes, 6 triangles for this. Okay? Again. This one is a big one triangle. Then here is a small one. Here one is a big triangle. And here is a small one. And here one is a big triangle. And here is a small one. So I'll do it small like this. Okay. This one and this one. This one also and this one. Okay. 6 triangles. Very good. So I'll get back to Mr. Cam. Okay. This is 21, sir. 11 cube. So viewing the cubes from the top. Okay, I'll go to number 11. So we have here uh number 11. The answer here is wait. The answer here for number 11, mm, it's 129. It's just 1,000, 16,000 rather, 770. Okay. So class, there is actually a recording of this that will be sent via your email. Okay. So I'll go back to that number. Let me just finish the whole sequence, okay? So for this one class, 23. The question is asking, given that the parameter of a rectangle is 64, the side lengths of the rectangle are integers, what is the largest possible area of the rectangle? So for this one, we can just say uh 64 divided by 4, and we'll have 16. Okay? So now we got 16. So let's just do 16 times 16 for this one. So 16 times 16, yes, you may go. So 16 times 16 is 256. Okay, I will go. Okay. Remember this one? Before I'll go back to number 22 rather. So, okay. We are good on number 23. I'll go to I'll let them see number 2022. Mm-hmm. Okay. So number 22. here is actually 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is that okay? Yes, you may go here. Is this okay? Is this okay now? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go to number 24 now, so I can entertain your questions again later. Okay? So class, chat on the chat box. How many sides is the hexagon? How many sides is the hexagon? I'll go back later. Let me just finish. Okay. So there are 6. Okay. Then 9 points. So you can just do this 9 combination of 6. Okay. So this one, this is actually 9 factorial over 6 factorial multiplied 9 minus 6 factorial. Okay. So this becomes 9 factorial over 6 factorial times 3 factorial. So we just need to distribute this one so we can remove the 6 below. So 9 times 8 times 7 and times 6. Okay. Factorial. All over 6 factorial 3 factorial. So this one is cancelled. This one is cancelled. And we'll be left with 9 times 8 times 7. How much is 3 factorial, class? It's 3 times 2 times 1, right? So it's gonna become 6. So we can just 3 over 2. Then we can just simplify again. This is 4. This is 1. So we'll be left with 3 times 4 times 7. Okay? So 3 times 4 times 7. So 3 times 4 is 12 times 7. The answer is gonna be 84. Okay? Okay? Oh, sorry. Can you explain what factorial does? Factorial is like this. Sorry if I was too fast. Sorry. So, factorial is like gonna be like this. If it is 5 factorial, it's gonna become 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So, instead of writing this, we're gonna be writing 5 factorial instead. Okay? So please take note of this solution if you are not that good with combination, so you can practice. So questions for this one, other than asking what is factor, he turned around to Sherman. Sentence 4. So number 7. Okay, number 17. Okay, so let's continue to number 25 now. So this one, class, the question is asking if we construct 2-digit numbers by choosing 4 digits from 1, 2, 5, 7, and 9 without repetition, what is the largest difference between 2-digit numbers? So we'll have let's line these numbers from greatest to least. So we have 9, 7, 5, 2, and 1. So to get the largest difference, we need the biggest and the smallest number we could have. So we have the biggest here, 9 and 7 already. So we have 97. So then we have 1 and 2 and 1. So to make it largest difference, so we'll have to make the other digit smallest. So instead of 21, we'll be using 12. Okay? So 97 minus 12, we'll have 85. Okay? So that's how we do it. Questions? In the chat box. I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4 after 30. Okay, let's go. So number 26 now. So how many different triangles are there such that all of its side lengths are integers and its perimeter is 18? Class, perimeter formula of triangle. It's gonna be side plus side, right? How many side does triangle have? So it's gonna be side plus side plus side. Okay? So we're gonna have, if it's side lengths and its perimeter, so we're gonna have, what do you call this? The sum of the three sides is 18. So we can have 2, 8, 8 here. Sorry. Next is 3, 7, and 8. We have 4, 6, and 8. We have 4, 7, and 7. We'll have 5, 5, and 8. We'll have another 5, 6, 7, and we'll have lastly 6, 6, 6. Okay? So if we count them all, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 different triangles. Okay, so the answer is 7. Can you copy this before I go back to number 25? So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because I'll go back to number. So this one, this is the solution here. This is the biggest we can make out of these numbers. And this is the smallest we can make out of these numbers. Okay, 24 last. Before we go to... Okay, this is combination for 24. Okay. So last, then we'll go to number 27 now. Okay? Yes, you have a question? Okay, I'll write the solution again. So for this one, we need to find, if the perimeter of a triangle is equal to side plus side plus side. So we need to have them the sum that equals to 18. So if we can start at 2 here, so we have 2, 8 and 8. Then we can also have 3, 7 and 8. We can have 4, 6 and 8. We can have another one 4, 7 and 7. Another one is 5, 5, 8. Another one is 5, 6, 7. Remember that if we add them all together, it should be equal to 18, okay? So this is the answer, 7. Are we good on this? Because I need to go back to number 27 now. So numbers are drawn from 35 integers, 1 to 35 at random without replacement. At least how many numbers needed to be drawn to ensure that there are two numbers, so sum is 46. So for this one, okay, follow this one class, follow this one class. Range and number, okay? So for 1 to 10, we're gonna be getting 10. 11 to 22, 12, 23 alone is 1, and 24 to 35. Gonna be 12. Wait, let me break it down. Yes, you may go to CR. Ah, 297. I forgot to add for triangle sum of uh the sum of two sides should, how do you call this? I'll go back to that question for the 297. Yeah, can integers be 11, 12? Yes. So this one, we're gonna have this, okay. So 1 to 10, 11 to 12, 23, and 24 to 35. So 1 and 35. Okay. Okay. So this one, okay. So we have here 10 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. You copy first before. Yeah, you may go CR. Yeah, you may go CR. So the answer is 24. You add this one. So okay. I'll go back to this one since there's someone asked why do we not include 2, 9, and 7? Because the two sides of the triangle should be greater than the one side. So if we add this 2 plus 7, then it's not gonna be a triangle. Okay. Yes, question, you can chat. So for this one class, you just chat your questions, okay, class? So Kevin is using uh three $10 notes. 4 $20 notes and one $50 notes. If a toy costs $19, how many toy cars can you buy using this? So let's find how much money do we get. 3 times 10 plus 4 times 20 plus 50. Okay? This is 30. This is 80. And this is 50. So if we add them all in all, we'll get 160. Okay? And if we divide 160 by 19, we'll get at least 8. Okay? So I'll just show you. So 19 plus 19 is 38. Plus 19 is 57. Then 76. Then 95. Then 114. Then 133. Then 152. Then 171. So it exceeds here. So we'll be using this. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8. So 8 toys we can buy all in all. Check answer in 27. So questions for this one before we go to 29. So, okay. Are we good on this? We don't need, no, the answer is 8. We'll be done exactly for the next hour. It's 24. 27 is 24. We don't need to find the remainder for this one. The answer is 8. Because we don't need to find the remainder since it's asking for how many toy cars. 27 is this one. Okay, 24. So let's go to number. This is okay. This one is gonna be the rectangle problem class. Okay, wait. Andy and all other students from class 3C are standing in a rectangular formation. Andy is standing at the right end of his row, and there are students on his left side. There are two students standing in front of him and two students beside him. So if we draw it like this class, rectangle, okay? Andy, right end of his row. So we have Andy here. And there are 8 students here. And there are 2 in front of him. And there are 3 behind him. Okay? So our solution is just gonna be like this. 8 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 plus... Okay, sorry. Okay. So this is 9 times 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is gonna be 63. Oh, no. 54. How is this 63? It should be 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54, right? What's... Yes, 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 yes. If you have the solution manual, it was wrong. Okay, okay. Yes, the worksheet says, I think that is wrong. Because 9 times 6 is 54. Okay. So, 29, are we good on this? So, we are to the last problem before we will recap our lesson. So, this one, a group of 9 students are taking 4 students at a time. Each student has to take a photo with any other different pairs of schoolmates. At least how many pictures is are there to be taken? Okay, okay. So class, this is just 9 combination of 4, okay? 9 combination of 4. Let's do it. Uh, okay, I'll put the formula here, okay? N C R. We have N factorial over R N minus R. It's gonna be factorial minus the R factorial. Okay? So we have here 9. 9 is gonna be what's on top over 9 minus 4 factorial minus R factorial. Okay? Okay. R is 4. Then it's gonna be like this. 9 factorial, 5 factorial minus... no, no. It's not minus. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. It's multiply. 4 factorial. Okay? Then it's gonna become like this. Uh, the form factorial is like this class. 9 factorial means 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So that means factorial, okay? So now 9 factorial times 8. So to make this simpler, times 5 factorial. Then this one is 5 factorial times 4 factorial, okay? So we can just make this as cancelled. And let's distribute rather the 4 factorial. So we have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. Okay? So for this part class, we can just actually what do you call this? Reduce the lowest term. So this is, we can make 9, 3 and 3 here as 1. We can make 8 here as 1. I rather 2. Then 4 here as 1. Then 2 here becomes 1. Then 6 here becomes 3. So we'll be left 3 times 2 times 7 times 3. Okay? This one, we multiply. It's gonna become 6 times 21 So if you multiply 21 times 6, we'll be able to have 126. Okay? So, no. Okay. I'll go back to... Is 30 now okay before we go back to some other questions? So, this is good, okay? We are done and I'm gonna entertain the questions now. So, okay, okay, I'll just do the 1, 2, and 3, and 4 first. Ay, sorry. Mm. So for one, actually I will correct myself here. The answer is, the question here should be saying that uh what's on the solution manual is 5 plus 30, right? So to make it 5 on the solution, it's gonna be the 26th of May. Typo of the problem. Okay? Okay, you may go to drink water. So 26th, so that's why we have 31 minus 26 is equal to 5 for May, June, July, August. Okay? So June will have 30, we'll have 31, and we'll have 14. If we add them all, 80, then divide by 7, we'll have 7 remainder of 3. Then 3 days after Friday, so eh, the question is not clear. Okay, just follow this. This should be Saturday, Sun, and Man. Okay, this should be solved like this. The solution manual is wrong. Okay, there are typos and errors. So that is for number 1. Number 2, the pattern should be okay. The pattern should be 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. So it's just gonna be adding this, add this, then add this. So the next is 7 plus 11. So we'll have at least 18 here. Okay. Are we good on that? So I can do it. Yes, I am done. I'm just catering the questions. So this one class, yeah, there seems to be a typo. That is the correct solution. So here is 20. Since Liam is 20 years old now, 25 years later plus 5. Then 25 is Liam later, then equal to the age of Richard 5 years ago. So we can just add under 5. So this one is 30. Okay. And lastly, number 4. Okay, class, this is LCM. Okay, LCM. 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 5, 10, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay? 6, 12. This is 18 and 24. This is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So, their least common multiple here. Okay? So 7, 14, 21, 28, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. This is their least count multiple. So this is the answer. Okay, we are good to 1 to 4. What is the other question? 26, 25, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so okay, sorry again, question 3. It should be just like this. I think that is on the recording, but okay, we still have time. So I'll cater the questions. 5 to 10. So this one here, it's the answer is the pattern is repeating by 6. So that's why 68 divided by 6 we'll have 11 remainder of 2. Then it's asking for a triangle. There are two triangles for every pattern of 6. So 11 times 2, we have 22. But we have a remainder of 2. So by counting 1 and 2, we have another triangle here. Okay, so that's why we add 22 plus 1, we'll have 23. So let's go to number this one class. Okay, follow this formula, okay? 17 times 2, 34. Then 60 minus 34, we'll have 26. Then 26, we'll just divide by 2 and we'll get 13. Okay? Our other solution here is 60 minus 17 times 2 all over 4 minus 2. Okay? Okay, I'll go back 5 to 10 first because someone is asking. So, we are good now? This one, you just add directly. This becomes 600. This becomes 300. This becomes 120. So if we add them all together, we'll get 1,120. So for this one, you can just actually add them right away. Or you can do this. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. And it will be equal to 9 times 28. Okay? So 9 times 28 is just equal. Wait, what number is this? 8. 9 times 28 is equal to 252. Mm. Uh, this should be the shortcut. Uh, this is for number 6. You can do the left solution or you can do the right shortcut. Then number 8 and number 7 rather. The answer will be 1,120. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It should be 220. This should be rather. I'm sorry. to 20. Sorry. So, okay. I'll just entertain all the questions. Okay. Number 6. Solution. Okay. You do this. That should be okay. Wait. I'll. This should be solution for number 6. Okay. The farm week. No, the 13 is the number of rabbits. This is rabbits. Then if you are asked to find the chicken, you can just use 17 minus 13. So 4 is chicken. Sorry. But this is the solution, sir. Uh the leg of the rabbit is 4. This is how to find because this is the solution in excluding the chickens. So we can find the rabbit right away. Hmm. 26 divided by 2. So, okay. Could you please help to explain? The one number 1 is actually 17 is not 17 is not the number of chicken. 17 is the overall count of chicken and rabbits. Uh question number 1 is typo, ma'am. So, sir or okay. So I think let's go to number 9. Okay, this one class you can just do them actually right away. Okay? So this one class you can just say 6. Okay? The quick solution method, the shortcut is it's going to be like this: 3 times 2 times 7 plus 3 times 4 times 7 plus 3 times 8, 3 3 times 14 plus 28 plus 8. Okay? Then this becomes 3 times 50 is equal to 150. Okay? So that is for number 9. And number 10, you can just directly subtract this. 90, 60, how much is this again? 180, 30, 20, 10, then this is 5. So if you minus this one, this is gonna be 30. Top, if we add, this is gonna be 60. If we minus, this is gonna be 40 rather. Then plus is 50. Then minus 5, we have 45. Okay. So we're part 20. Okay, let me check the chat box. 26. Okay, 24. 24 and 26. Okay. We'll start with 24 again. Okay. This should be a matter of combination, okay? Hexagon has 6 sides, so we'll do 9 combination of 6. Okay? So 9 combination is actually NCR. where n factorial over n minus r factorial times r. Okay? So we have here 9 factorial over 9 minus 6 factorial times 6 factorial. Okay? So we have here 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Then this is 3, right? This is 3, so we can just say 3 factorial times 6 factorial. So we can just cancel them out. Then we know that 9 times 8 times 7 is gonna be 3 factorial, meaning 3 times 2 times 1. So, okay, we are gonna do this. So, to make it small. So, the denominator is gonna be 1 times 1 times 1, and we'll be left with 3 times 4 times 7. Okay? Now, 12 times 7 is equal to 84. Oh, oh, sorry, sorry. Are we good on that? 24? Question. Okay, 26. This one class, so this one class, yes, this one, uh, a triangle, if we have A plus B plus C here, A plus B should be greater than C. B plus C. Oh, I forgot this. Greater than. Wait, wait. What? Okay, okay. Here. I remember now. We have A plus B should be greater than C. A plus C should be greater than B. And B plus C should be greater than A. Okay? You remember this one? So that's why if we have 2, 7, and 9. So if we add 2 plus 7, is that going to be greater than 9? Okay? It should follow this. Okay? So that is what I'm gonna clarify. Okay? So I think that that suffices the question. So let's move to number 27. For 27, follow. Wait. Wait. The answer for number 27 is this one is 24. Okay. This one class the solution for this one. So solution of number 27 is gonna be like this. Okay. Okay. Uh okay. 27 26 rather, we'll have a total of 7 solutions. You just need to follow this. Okay. Sorry. Because we are running out of time. It's already timed up. I'm just catering the question now. So 27 should have the answer of 24 for who was asking. This is the answer here is 24. And number 28, the answer is 8. 27. Then 28 is 8 rather. Oof. Okay. Okay, I will unmute everyone. Uh, okay. Who has a question? You can speak.
I have a question 11 and 12. We just have only 28 questions. Please.
Screenshot number 1 again.
Number 1, you can just go
Okay,
to the
please.
recording, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Please.
11 and 12. Okay. Okay. I think just chat. Just chat. The answer for 27 is 24. The answer for 27 is 24. Okay. I showed the solution earlier. Okay. So I'll speed run the what you call this 11 and 12 because someone is asking. 11, this one. Yes. I'm sorry if I am too fast. I'm worried of the time. I'm very sorry. So okay, I'll do this and I'll do 27 after, okay? So this one class, you can just actually 129 times 130. We can just say that this is 130 minus 1 times 130. So it can just actually 16900 minus 130. Okay? Then the answer will be 16770. Yes, I will go back to number 27. Please wait. So the number 12, we can just do this. 369 times 1111. You can just direct what do you call this? Direct multiply, but you can also do this 41 times 9. This 369 factored out, it becomes like this, times 11, then 41 times 10,000 minus 1. Then we'll have here 410,000 minus 41. We'll be left with 4, 0, 9, 9, 5, and 9. 30 questions, I think. 91 hour and 30. So I'll go back lastly to number 27. That is the to make it uh to extract to extract the 9. So we can times 9 here on the other part. So we can do a faster solution. Okay. I'll just do the number 27 last, then we can end. So 27 last again. So for 27, we'll have range here and the number. Okay? So we'll have 1 to 10. So sa choose, then 11 to 12, 23, then 24 to 35. So just choose 10 here, choose 12 here, choose 1 and choose 12. Then if we add them together here, we'll have 10 plus 12 plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. I can I just show the answer now? Number 2, 4, 16, 29, and okay. So let me do 30 again. Actually, if the class is finished, if you can stay if you have more questions. Plus 1 to ensure. 10 plus 12 plus 1 plus... Ay, okay. Plus 12. Oh, sorry. Ay, wait. It's not 12. It's 1. Was it 1? Hmm. Okay. So, I'll just upload a separate solution for 27, okay? Because our time is up and I still have to prepare something, okay? I'll cater your questions for 30. It's just 9 combination of 4. So if 9 students are taking 4 photos at a time, at least how many pictures are taking? So you can just do this. So the answer for 2, 4, 16, and 29. So okay, I'll just put them. The answer for 2 is 18, 4, 16, and 29. So for 4, the answer is 28. For number 16, the answer is 93. And 29, the answer is 54. There are typos. Okay. Uh I'll unmute everyone, sorry. So the time is up and I think I'll just post the recorded lecture, okay? For number 27, I will upload a different set of recording. Okay?
Bye.
So I got it now.
You may
Thank you,
leave
teacher.
if you don't have questions.
Yeah, I have question. Can you explain me this pi?
Bye.
For
Bye.
for number
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
for for num
Goodbye.
okay, you may
Bye.
See you again.
Teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Bye, teacher. Teacher, can you give me lesson 2 again, please?
Again?
Lesson 2 again, please? Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher. Next.
Bye.
Yeah.
Uh,
Goodbye, teacher.
for number
Bye,
27, I'll
teacher.
upload a separate video, okay?
Yeah.
I will upload a separate video. Can you chat the questions that you are having a hard time so I can make a separate video? Please chat on the chat box the problems that I
already sent you the message to the chat box. I didn't get receipt from you.
the what, sir?
Okay, wait.
I also get some message for you. The private message.
Goodbye, teacher.
Can you explain for me 25?
The question number
25.
25. Okay.
25, yeah.
Okay, question 25. Okay, okay. So
buổi sau.
Ở đây được.
okay, I'll share the screen again, sir.
Question number 3.
This one, number 25.
3.
Number 25. Wait.
Number 3.
Oh, wait.
Number
Wait. Someone was asking number 25.
3.
Okay, 25, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this, sir, we are finding the largest difference. So for this one, we need to find of these numbers the highest and the smallest we can get. But take note without repetition. Okay? So then, reading the question carefully, we have 2-digit numbers. So let's arrange them greatest to the least. So we have 9, 7, 5, 2, and 1. Okay? So by
Number 3 is RDE. Number 3.
wait. You mute yourself first, okay? I'm explaining number 25. I will get back to number 3. Okay? You behave yourself. So this will be the largest, sure. Because out of all the numbers, we can 95 is not the largest, 92 is not the largest. So we can just say 97 is the largest. Now we need to find the smallest. Okay? So we have here the two smallest numbers. But we need to form them to the smallest because 12 is less than 21. Okay? So that's why we have here minus 12. So the largest difference we can make is the biggest number we can form minus the smallest.
I am batching.
Okay, are we good on that, sir?
Yeah, I got it. Thank
Number
you.
5.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes?
I want to question number 4 in the test.
Question number 4 in the test.
Yes.
Okay.
According to the pattern shown below, what should be English letter field in the South province?
Okay, this one.
Number 4.
This one, ma'am.
The test demo.
Is this, ma'am? You are in grade 3, ma'am. Is your son in grade 2?
Yeah.
This is grade 3 class, ma'am.
What shall be the English letter?
Ma'am, I think you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. P. Can you chat the question, ma'am?
Yeah.
Just write the letters. Just chat the letters.
One for me.
Just chat the letters. I will I will upload the video so it will be sent to everyone, okay?
Yeah. One for me.
Okay, just write the question, I'll do that one. So I'll do number 3 first.
Can you do number 6?
So for this, since Liam is 20 years old now,
My grandmother needs the
okay, this one given, okay,
Where I can see answer
okay,
of the 5.
okay, finish. Listen this one. Given the age of Liam 5 years later is equal to the age of Richard 5 years ago. So if Liam is 20 years old now, so we can just say that 20 plus 5. So this will be the age of Liam 5 years later. So is equal to the age of Richard 5 years ago. So this is Richard's age now, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. So if we are to find how old is Richard now, so if Richard is 25 years old 5 years ago, we can just say, to find his age now, it's just 25 plus 5. Okay? So we have 30 here. Okay?
Teacher,
Where I can see answer of the 5.
Yes?
I can see answer of 5. Question 5.
Okay, okay. Wait, I will answer your query. I'll focus on the Miss I'm sorry if I can't pronounce your name properly. Miss Min. Okay. Now I see the problem here. BM. Okay, okay. So this
understand a photo of the child.
yes, yes, yes. This is BMEKH, right? This is the correct pattern, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
This one you just actually skip by 2, ma'am. So this actually this one is this one, counting by this one.
teacher. My
Okay?
grandmother
Then you count M, I, G, and E.
My grandmother say
Okay?
lesson 4.
So B, C, D, E. So plus 3, we have E. So if we have here B, E,
Con 9% thôi.
B, E, H, K, then the question mark, and also have the M,
Question mark.
K,
The question mark is
I, G. So this one is decreasing, ma'am. This one is decreasing. This one is decreasing. And this one is increasing. Okay? So that's the pattern, ma'am. So
Okay.
are we okay now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you just screenshot, ma'am. You just screenshot. You know, screenshot because I will move to another problem.
Is even and O.
B, C, D, E,
Pilipino ako.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, I think, N.
Okay.
Okay, so we are off to number 5. So I can finish the number 5 and number 6.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, ma'am. So number 5, you were asking this. So number 5, you know the pattern is repeating by 6, right? John, you behave yourself, John. You can actually leave the class if you're gonna be disrupting. You behave yourself. Huwag ka magpahiya sarili mo.
Behave yourself.
Huwag mo magpahiya sarili mo. So
Magpahiya sa sarili ko.
we have here 6 patterns, right? 6 patterns. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay,
6.
po, teacher.
This is gonna be repeating again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why we go 68, we're gonna be dividing it by 6. And we'll get 11, remainder of 2, sir. So for
Okay.
this one, in every pattern of the 6, we have 2 triangles. So the question is asking how many triangles. So that's why we have 11 times 2. So we have 22 already. But remember, we have the remainder of 2. Now, so this one, you know, okay? You look at this, sir. This one, this is the repeating pattern, right? This is the 1 and this is the 2. So we have another extra triangle here. So we'll just add 1. Okay? So the answer is 23. Okay? Sir, are we good, sir?
Yes.
Give me, teacher.
Okay. So, okay,
Uh,
you can
Yeah.
get us.
Can you please tell the answer of number question 26? How many
26?
triangles? Yeah, that's
Okay.
the answer only, please.
The answer is, let,
Này bằng 22 cộng 1 là
the
sao?
answer is, sir, is 7, sir. Sir,
7.
yes, sir. Sir, remember for triangles, the sum of the
Cộng
two
1 là
sides must be greater than the other, sir. Okay,
Còn
sir.
thứ hai hình đây là hình thứ nhất, đây là hình thứ hai thì
This
có một
this
cái bác
should
nữa.
be for triangles, sir.
Bác này nữa này.
This one should be followed in the perimeters of the triangle.
So the answer is 7.
Nè nè nè
Thank
nè
you,
nè
teacher.
nè.
Okay. So, okay. Grandma, I'll answer number 4 now, Grandma, okay?
Xem mắt paper.
Okay, okay, okay. So, Grandma, this is number 4, Grandma.
This is grandpa.
Okay?
Bắt tay nè.
The solution for this,
Teacher.
we need to... Okay, okay, wait. I'm answering Grandma's question.
Nè nè.
We need to find the least common multiple here.
Okay, but teacher.
Least common multiple here.
Teacher
Okay?
kasih pak mama yan.
So, we have here 3, 6, 9,
6.
12, and 15.
6.
So, this is the least common multiple. So, this is 6, 12, 18, and 24. Then, again, on 4, it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. But we are gonna find their least common multiple. So, this is the least common multiple. Okay? For 7, 14, 21, and 28. And for 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Okay? So this is the other way. Okay, be careful because sometimes it's gonna ask for least common multiple. So are we good, Grandma? So class, any questions before I end? Because it's lunch here and I think I'm hungry now. Are we good? I hope you understand. I'm very sorry for the disturbance earlier, but I hope everyone understand that I'm just a single teacher alone catering 160 students.
Teacher, can we go out?
Yes, you may go out. So, hello. I will specifically continue this number 27. So for this one, to ensure that we have sum with number of 46. So it should be 11 plus 35. And going further, we have 12 plus 34, 13 plus 33, and 14 plus 32, 15 plus 31, 16 plus 30, 17 plus 29, 18 plus 28. Then we have here 19 plus 27, 20 plus 26, 21 plus 25, 22 plus 24. Okay, so we will be left with that because we can't add 30 anymore. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 pairs here, okay? Now we have 12 pairs, and for 12 pairs here, now we have 1 to 10 who isn't included. So this is unpaired also. And we have also 23 as unpaired, okay? So unpaired. So it's just one number. Then this one is 10 numbers. Okay. And now we'll just do paired plus unpaired plus 1. Okay. So we have 12 here plus 10 plus 1. Then plus 1 to ensure. So that's why we have here 12 plus 11 plus 1. Then we'll have here uh 12 plus 12. So all in all, it's 24. Okay.